healthy diet is good for the body and also good for the mind. And multivitamins could play an important role.
It's biologically plausible because we know that nutrition is so important for optimal brain health.
A new study directed by Mass General Brigham found that participants taking multivitamins daily prevented memory loss and slowed down the process of cognitive aging by the equivalent of 2 years compared to a placebo group.
We found the strongest benefit for memory in slowing of age-related memory loss.
1 in 9 adults say they have experienced confusion or memory loss, according to the CDC. By 2060, the number of people age 65 and older with Alzheimer's is projected to reach nearly 14 million.
When we talk about Alzheimer's disease and other related dementia, that's not normal aging, and those diseases are fatal. It's really important that we think about strategies for prevention. We think about strategies such as engaging in healthy lifestyles to keep our brain as healthy as we can, as long as we can.
The researchers who conducted the multivitamin study are encouraged by the findings because it is a cheap and easily accessible option for most people. But they caution that the supplements are not a substitute for good nutrition.
But people should still eat their spinach.
Absolutely. We are saying that multivitamins, dietary supplements will never be a substitute for a healthy diet, healthy lifestyle, regular physical activity, and everything like that. That is really key.
The best time to take action, doctors say, is before cognitive decline begins.
So, Stephanie, does this study then link to the idea that people should go out and start using multivitamins for their memory?
No, and they aren't saying that. More work needs to be done to set those guidelines. But the doctor who I spoke with said there are proactive things people can do to slow cognitive decline, and nutrition is a really good place to start.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.